Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs on economic thought of classical, neoclassical, Keynesian, socialist and modern economists. Question number 1. Who is regarded as the father of economics? A. Karl Marx, B. Adam Smith, C. Alfred Marshall, D. David Ricardo. Answer is B. Adam Smith. Adam Smith, through his book An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations in 1776, laid the foundation of classical economics and free market principles. The concept of invisible hand introduced by Smith explains how individuals pursuing their self-interest can lead to special benefit. Question number 2. Which book is considered the foundation of classical economics? A. Das Kapital, B. General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, C. Wealth of Nations, D. Principles of Economics. Answer is C. Wealth of Nations. Written by Adam Smith in 1776, this book introduced ideas like division of labor, specialization, and the role of markets. Division of labor in modern factories, where different workers specialize in different tasks to increase productivity. Question number 3. The iron law of wages is associated with which economist? A. Thomas Malthus, B. David Ricardo, C. Karl Marx, D. J.S. Mill. Answer is B. David Ricardo. Ricardo argued that wages tend to gravitate towards the subsistence level because population growth offsets wage increases. In underdeveloped economies, when wages rise, population often grows, keeping wages near survival level. Question number 4. Who introduced the concept of surplus value? A. Adam Smith, B. Karl Marx, C. Alfred Marshall, D. Keynes. Answer is B. Karl Marx. Marx's theory of surplus value explains how capitalists extract profit by paying workers less than the value of what they produce. A factory worker produces goods worth rupees 1,000 but is paid rupees 500. The remaining is surplus value for the capitalist. Question number 5. Who is associated with the theory of population growth? A. J.S. Mill, B. Adam Smith, C. Thomas Malthus, D. Alfred Marshall. Answer is C. Thomas Malthus. In his essay on Principle of Population in 1798, Malthus argued that population grows faster than food supply, leading to poverty. Food scarcity in 19th century Europe validated Malthus' predictions during agricultural crisis. Question number 6. Keynes emphasized which factor as the key to economic fluctuations? A. Supply, B. Aggregate demand, C. Cost of production, D. Wages. Answer is B. Aggregate demand. Keynes argued that insufficient demand causes unemployment and economic depression. During the Great Depression of 1930s, lack of demand led to massive unemployment and economic stagnation. Question number 7. Which economist introduced the concept of marginal utility? A. Adam Smith, B. Alfred Marshall, C. William J. Vance, and D. David Ricardo. Answer is C. William J. Vance. J. Vance, along with Menger and Walras, introduced the marginal utility theory, forming the basis of neoclassical economics. A consumer values the first glass of water highly, but the marginal utility decreases with each additional glass. Question number 8. Laissez-faire policy is associated with which school of thought? A. Classical, B. Keynesian, C. Marxist, and D. Socialist. Answer is A. Classical. Classical economists advocated minimum government intervention in the economy, allowing free markets to function. During 18th and 19th century, Britain largely followed laissez-faire principles during the Industrial Revolution. Question number 9. The concept of consumer surplus was introduced by A. Adam Smith, B. Alfred Marshall, C. J.M. Keynes, D. Karl Marx? Answer is B. Alfred Marshall. Marshall defined consumer surplus as the difference between what a consumer is willing to pay and what they actually pay. A consumer willing to pay rupees 100 for a movie ticket but gets it for rupees 80 enjoys a surplus of rupees 20. Question number 10. Which economic thought emphasizes class struggle? A. Classical, B. Marxian, C. Keynesian, D. Neoclassical. Answer is Marxian. Karl Marx argued that history is a struggle between the capitalist and the workers. Labor strikes during the Industrial Revolution reflect the class conflict which Marx has described. Question number 11. Physiocrats believe that A. Agriculture is the only source of wealth. B. Industry creates surplus value. C. Government should control trade. D. Money supply determines output. Answer is A. Agriculture is the only source of wealth. Physiocrats in 18th century in France believed that land and agriculture were the true source of national wealth. Quesnay's Tableau économique explained that agricultural surplus as the driver of the economy. Which economist introduced the concept of opportunity cost? A. Lionel Robbins, B. Alfred Marshall, C. David Ricardo, D. Adam Smith. Answer is A. Lionel Robbins. Robbins defined economics as the science of allocating scarce resources, highlighting opportunity cost. Choosing to invest in education instead of starting a business represents opportunity cost of foregone profits. Question number 13. Which theory explains division of labor? A. Keynesian theory, B. Marxian theory, C. Classical theory, D. Neoclassical theory. Answer is C. Classical theory. Adam Smith explained how specialization increases productivity in his pin factory example. Assembly lines is automobile production follow Smith's division of labor principle. Question number 14. Who introduced the concept of effective demand? A. Alfred Marshall, B. Karl Marx, C. J.M. Keynes, D. David Ricardo. Answer is C. J.M. Keynes. Effective demand is the total demand for goods and services in an economy at the given time, influencing employment and output. Government spending during recession increases effective demand to revive the economy. Question number 15. Which school of thought advocates welfare economics? Classical, A. Classical, B. Neoclassical, C. Keynesian, D. Modern. Answer is D. Modern. Welfare economics developed by Pigou and later economists focuses on maximizing social welfare. Progressive taxation and social security schemes are rooted in the welfare economics principles. So if you like, then please subscribe my channel.